Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sky.Onjahnae if you're new here, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. I'm not about to hold y'all know what this video is about, so let's get right into it. Okay y'all, so I already moisturized and all of that good stuff. I primed my face and I applied my foundation and eyeshadow and brows and all of that stuff because this is a contour highlight, and contour highlight is only what I'm gonna give you. I don't know if you can notice, but like right here in this area, I didn't apply any foundation because concealer just blends out better on bare skin, and I want my highlight concealer to be blended out flawlessly. So we just avoid this under eye area. And I want you to know, this is my disclaimer. Makeup is not a one size fits all type of thing. So this is just what I do for my round face. If you like what I did, then you do it for your round face. And you know, we just all mind our business and do what we want to do for ourselves, okay? This looks very crazy, but since I started doing it this way, I don't know, my makeup be giving more than the girls can handle. So it's important to know where your cheekbones are, because if you put your your contour highlight, contour concealer too low, you go be looking like you had a stroke. Like, and that's not even a joke. You're literally your face is gonna look lower. So cheekbones right here, and another good guide for your cheekbone is the top of your ear. It creates an angle. That's how you know where your cheekbones are specifically. You take it and bring it down. Take it and bring it down. I look so crazy. I kind of put that a little higher than this one, but we'll do that. I don't have much of a forehead, so I think I have an average size forehead, so I don't really contour too much. I just put a little dab there, and yeah, that's pretty much it, because I don't use concealer for my nose. I just use powder. We go highlight under here like so, and we're going to bring this up. For me and my round face, it helps because it creates that lifted look. Me and my nose have a love-hate relationship, I shall say. It's best to, I need one of those fans that dries. I mean, those like handheld fans that y'all be seeing the Instagram girlies wear. Use it. Because once your concealer, like having your concealer dry down, blends it better as well. If y'all don't take nothing else away from this video, hear me when I say setting spray. Spray your setting spray before you blend out your concealer. You want to make sure we're blending upward. You want to keep the pattern going of your contour, because that's literally carving our face. And the reason I blend contour first, because you see how kind of harsh this looks. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Kind of, maybe so, maybe not, whatever. In person it looks harsh, so I want to blend my concealer out, my highlight concealer out, and then blend those two together. Not together, but you're gonna, by blending this out, it's going to diffuse that line. And we're not trying to do too much. We just really want to blend it in that general area, because if we go too far out, it's kind of like defeats the purpose of us placing our highlighter, our concealers in certain areas, if you're just going to be blending wherever the hell you feel like it. No, you blend where you place your concealer. Don't be like me and forget to blend out the creases of your nose. Now I forgot my chin. Oh no. Silly. Like I said, let me not say that, because I'm trying to like not talk down on myself. Like, y'all stop that too, because it really will affect you mentally, and you'll start believing the things you say about yourself. And what I like to do here is I like to kind of blend this outwards towards my eyebrows and up, just because like I said, I don't have a huge forehead, so I don't want to blend it all like across because it'll make my forehead look larger. So I want to pretty much just create a shadow with the contour and just hit where the light is actually going to hit on my forehead, which is the point of contour and highlighting. Let me get an up close mirror because like I said, me and my nose have a love-hate relationship. The hate side is heavy on her side. Oh, she acting all right for YouTube. Maybe I should do this with y'all more often. And we are just setting. What I learned, that when you set your makeup first, then go in and bake, it lasts a lot longer. Yeah, I know. I feel like I'm late to the game, but just in case somebody watching didn't know that, maybe I just gave you some tea. Now that is done, we are gonna bake. As this kind of like sets in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, then I'll be back to y'all. Okay, so we are back. I did my mascara, lashes, eyeliner, all that good jazz. Now we're gonna finish up by setting our contour. I use bronzer to set my contour because I like to look bronze. So yeah. And I do this while my powder is still baking me. I'm still in the oven because I want to use the rest, because I don't dust it off, I just pat it around my face because I have very oily skin, so I need to keep as much powder on me as I can. I keep it on. Even got a blotting powder on my purse. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just press this powder into my skin and all over my face to get rid of it. That's what I be talking about. I'm gonna fix this, then I'm gonna be back with the final look. Give me a second. Hi, we are done. This is actually like a really cute summertime look. Come on. Because maybe yes. And yeah, she is snatched. And yeah, thank you all so much. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, give your girl some likes because that really helps me out. And subscribe if you like this content, because if you already waited to the end, that means you like your girl. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video.